Mm, Welcome back, guys. How are you all? Before going further, just let me know that voice is okay. You can hear me. It's a quick mic testing. So hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you hear me, guys? Good morning, future trading investing. Hey Hardik, how are you, brother? Can you hear me, guys? Bye. Hey Sergey, can't hear me? Everything's cool. Let me know if you can hear me or not. Okay? Why I know look up order block, breaker block, liquidity bias. It is, but I can't execute trade with ICT concept. What should I do solve this problem? You have to practice more, Ankur. You have to practice more. You didn't practice more. That's why you are afraid. Okay? Thankar, loud and clear, bro. Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you, Steve, for confirming. Casey, where are you, man? I didn't see your name. It's been long. Good morning, by the way. Good morning, Shahid. Peter, loud and clear. Thank you, brother. Good morning, Sandy. So everyone is here. We hear you be loud and clear. Thank you. Thank you, Shahid. So yesterday it came to this entry level gap. I'm glad to see that. Now today is Wednesday. What is my expectation from today? Today my expectation is the expansion, where it will expand toward that sell side liquidity. That is my expansion target. This sell side liquidity. Okay. Here, this low and that they are relatively equal lows. I would love to see market will expand toward that sell side liquidity. At the same time, I have this relatively equal lows over here. So yeah, it can take both of these sell side liquidity today. That is my expectation, guys. I'm again telling you, this is my direction. I'm not telling it's going to happen. I'm just telling you I am expecting price will act like that way. It will expand lower. Now, the expansion actually happens in New York session. Not always, but most of the time. Around London session, it actually give you the opposite run. Okay. For example, yesterday price went higher, right? It went higher. But look at the London session. London session price went little lower. Opposite run, something like this. Opposite run. Same thing I'm expecting here. Not a big volatility. Yeah, it can easily come until that last fair value gap around the London session. Nothing wrong with that. But yeah, I'm expecting higher run, not the lower run, before the New York session or 7 a.m. kill zone. So before the 7 a.m. kill zone, I'm expecting some kind of higher run. At the same time, I'm very much conscious about this entry fair value gap. If I get any kind of sign that market would love to go lower, I'll just change my bias, because this is just a theory that market will go the opposite way. I mean, London session will go the opposite way of New York session. Okay, so that's all, brother. I mean, if I see any kind of lower run, I will go for the sell. But if you ask me, I want to see some kind of higher run. So this is 15-minute chart. You can see there is no buy side liquidity. We have very clean sell side liquidity here. That is actually for today and tomorrow. I mean, expansion, retracement, tomorrow continuation of the expansion, something like that. Here is the London session. Right now price is at the no man's land. Okay, just look at this price action. It's in the no man's land. That means if I want to frame a trade, I have to wait for this fair value gap. Look over here. There is a fair value gap from 15-minute chart. I'm gonna mark it. I don't know it's going to make the fair value gap or not. I have to wait 7 more minutes, confirm that there is a fair value gap. So here is a fair value gap. As my expectation is market will expand higher, I will use this fair value gap for my framing trade. I will go 1 minute chart, and yeah, this is that area, that 15-minute fair value gap. So if market come back again here, then it gave me any kind of setup, I will go for buy. But yeah, I'm kind of situation where I have no bias. Market has taken those relatively equal highs. See, all of these equal highs has taken over there. But still I'm thinking that market will expand higher. This is just a theory. Over here, market came to this last parabolic from 15-minute chart. Over here, this is the last 15-minute parabolic, went higher. Let's see if it can come over here or not. But overall, I'm bullish to the London session until that last parabolic from 15-minute chart. At the same time, I don't want to say market will reach to that last parabolic. It's kind of situation I have no idea what's going to do. I mean, what's going to happen. Like if you understand, every time I actually go for a direction, but here this is a kind of situation where I am without any direction. Do you understand it? I don't know, but yeah, so far I love to see some kind of higher run, but not until that last parallel gap. If it failed to reach until the last parallel gap, that will be overconfidence that market is going to fall. If it reach over here, that is nothing wrong. Obviously it can reach over there, then it can fall. Nothing wrong with that. It's kind of experience. Okay, when I see something previously, I would love to see that same thing to the future, so that I get more confidence. Over here, that is that kind of situation. If market went through this parabolic gap, if it can make this parabolic gap, and if it can go through that parabolic gap, I will maybe look for some kind of sell side liquidity here. I will go to 1 minute chart and I will look for some sell side liquidity around that area. If there is any sell side liquidity, let me check. I guess I have this relatively equal lows over here. Yes, from 1 minute chart, it can be triggered. Okay, so this low and that low from 1 minute chart is the relatively equal lows. Price came here, make that relatively equal lows more stronger, so that can be triggered for a short term of period. Okay, right now I'm just waiting how price will react. At the same time, I will wait until 4, because most of the volatility we get around 4 p.m. I mean, sorry, 4 a.m. And from 1st of April, I guess Francis told that from 1st of April we are going to get that from 3 a.m. Okay, so actually our London session start at 2 a.m. It ends at 5 a.m. But because of the daylight saving changing something, our London session start at 3 a.m. Our London session close at 6 a.m. Okay, and let's see if there is any comment. So please teach how to trade the London silver bullet. That's the only one I will be able to trade. Okay, let's see, brother. Would let us know when you enter a trade. Why, Sandy? Are you going to push your button with me? Let me know, Sandy. And I guess you are very new to my channel. Good morning. Good morning, Nair. How are you, brother? Other sessions are after 12 a.m. too late. Okay, so Hardik, you are in Australia, I guess, Melbourne. So yeah, the AM session and PM session is your midnight, I guess. Peter is also in Australia. Brother, which broker do you use? I am right now I'm using paper trading broker, but actually I use prop firm. We are not broker. It's top step. You are not able to trade Nasdaq or even S&P if you don't live in America, USA, okay? Because only the people who lives in USA they can trade the future. I mean the Nasdaq or E-mini or indices, okay? So you have to use the prop firm if you want to trade Nasdaq or even S&P. Higher to go, lower Jura swing. Great analysis, brother. Thank you, Shahid. Your teaching is solid, mate. Thank you, Peter. To the top, hello, guys. You didn't tell me hello to the top, brother. You didn't tell me anything, man. You just talked about other guys. Okay, no problem. Siddharth, good morning. You also, Siddharth, you greetings the people. You didn't tell me anything, man. I get hurt. Prashant Pandey, hey brother, how are you? I think yes, that's the reason I will be really tough. Let's see, brother. As I told that London session is I'm not a London guy, and yeah, I'm trading London for some days, maybe nearly 1 month only. But actually, I don't trade London. But we will see how it works. Okay, we will see. This travel gap is going to play a great role, I believe. If market can go through this travel gap, I'm no more bullish. But I believe that market should, this parabol gap should hold the price, send it back some above here. Okay, maybe there is something, it will come around that area or something. Let's see. Let's see, brother. Let's see. I'm in Germany and I can trade NAS 100. Uh, yeah, Sandy, can you trade NQM? Can you trade it? I don't believe that you can trade it because with the, if you don't live in USA, you can't trade Nasdaq. Okay, so NAS 100 is actually the, what is it called? I mean, I believe, what is it called? I forgot actually. It's not the same. The price is not the same. NAS 100 price and NQ price is not same. I believe it's not the same price, and you can't trade the indices market. What is that called? I forgot actually. Hey AFX, how are you, brother? Hey Mystic, thanks for joining, brother. Future trend investing. I am not a London guy. I'm also not a London guy. Future trend investing. Morning Thups. So funny, man. To be honest, I'm not a London guy. To be honest, man. I don't like to trade London. Don't try to take anything over. Don't try to do anything over here. This is just kind of situation in a random level. Yesterday I explained you the random level, right? So this is that random level. If market would love to go higher, it has to reach over here first. This is the 50-minute fair value gap, so it has to reach over there. Now forget about this entry fair value gap. I'm gonna remove it from my chart. Okay, the entry fair value gap, because my bias is bullish until that last fair value gap maybe. That's why I just removed that entry fair value gap from my chart. Later I will put that over here so that I can have little line. This little line. Now I have only this fair value gap, this 15-minute fair value gap. Let's see if it can come back again to this 15-minute fair value gap. Then if it can make some kind of setup, buy setup. Okay, at the same time maybe this will be the target. There is some buy side liquidity it's making here, it can be the target. Okay, Thubs, I'm fine, man. What about you, brother? How are you? What time is it in Bangladesh? It's 1:29 p.m. Sorry, 1:30 p.m. Exactly 1:30 p.m. So it's noon over here. Hey, brother. Hey, Big Uzi, how are you, brother? Thanks for your time and teaching. Thank you. I mean, it's my pleasure, brother. Thubs. How are you, brother? I hope you are doing well, and thanks a lot for the content you provide. It's really benefits us. You're most welcome. And yeah, thank you to that. Hey, Henheim, love your lives. Thank you. Henheim, you're new, brother. I didn't see your name before, but thanks for the compliment, brother. He's not a London guy. He's a Bangladeshi guy. Oh man, I'm just waiting. Okay, I'm waiting to this price action. So market has made that fair value gap. I would love to see market will trade that fair value gap. Even if it wants to go higher, it has to come here first. That 50-minute fair value gap. Okay. At the same time, if you see market has taken some liquidity here, market structure shift, fair value gap trade went higher. This is the order block. Okay, so these consecutive candles or this lowest candle, any of them will be the order block, but both of the candle is inside this fair value gap. It has to come here if it wants to go higher. I will just mark the consecutive order block high. That is the consecutive order block high. If it can reach until that order block level, I will look for a buy setup there. So just keep this in your mind. Okay, this three level. Why I'm bullish? I explained that, right? I hope you're clear. Now, am I looking for sell from here? No, I'm not looking for sell from here. If I want to take a sell, it has to break this fair value gap first. If it breaks that fair value gap, then I will look for a sell toward that sell side liquidity. If it can break this fair value gap, until this fair value gap is not broken, I'm not looking for sell. But yeah, here this can be a retracement entry, something like that. Price failed to take this high. This high failed to take that high. Got the market structure shift. This is the fair value gap. This is kind of retracement trade. Okay, it's very highly risky, highly risky until here. That can be a retracement trade. I mean, it's highly risky, but still, this is a possibility. Okay, I really sometimes I really go for that type of thing. Why I'm looking for here? Because I'm believing that market is coming here to that fair value gap, at least to that fair value gap. So when market gave me a displacement, I'm expecting that market will come here to that fair value gap, at least to the top of this fair value gap. So here is the top of this fair value gap. 12:30 a.m. in California. That means it's midnight. I know it's midnight in California. The people who lives in America, it's really tough for them to trade the London session. People who is in Australia, it's really tough for them to trade the New York session. And the people who lives in Bangladesh, it's really hard to trade New York PM session. Only the PM session for them because it's midnight over here. So yeah. Uh, can you please tell me how to trade NQ? I can't find this in my broker. You won't find it, Robin. You are not going to find it because if you don't live in USA, you can't trade NQ to any kind of broker. Okay, you can't trade. So in that type of situation, you can trade through prop firm like Top Step. Top Step will allow you to trade the NQ, but this is prop firm trading, okay, not the broker trading. Because if you don't live in USA, you can't trade NQ. That's the simple thing, brother. You're right, but the direction is the same. Sandy, what did you say? You're right, but the direction is the same. I really forgot what I told and where I am right and why which direction is the same. New York morning, okay for Aussie as well. Oh, okay. Okay then. I didn't know that. Same here, brother. It's hard to find New York PM session because of midnight. Absolutely mistake. It's really difficult. Hey, brother, it's 3:30 a.m. in Toronto. I know, Shahid, who lives in Canada and USA. It's really tough for them to trade London session because it's midnight over there. You guys are the New York guys, okay? And me too. I love New York session. I don't like London session. But yeah, there is still some people who is able to trade uh, the the London session only. But to be honest, it's really so difficult to trade. This trade I had only 4.75 stop loss. Okay, so if I would saw that, I would put my stop loss over there. I don't care because it's now still it's 700, only 700. Even if after this big huge stop loss, still it's 700. So I can let price some more space to fly. And again, guys, I told that I want to see market will reach here before even going higher. But that doesn't mean it has to reach. It has to come over here. It has no boundness. Okay, that's my just an expectation. So this is kind of retracement trading. It is called against your bias trading. Okay, so this is highly risky. 8:36 in Germany. German people can trade London session and New York session easily because I was in German, I was in Portugal, I was in Denmark. I knew that it's really easier for us to trade London session and the New York session. Both of the session is at the daytime, so we don't have any problem. We don't have any problem. Before 4, no entry is valid because we will get the volatility around 4. So I will try to push my button around 4. Before here, we will just see how price will react. Okay, if it can make that relatively equal highs, can left it like that way, or is it going to take that highs, then it is going to fall. Everything we'll observe before uh, before 4. Okay, then we will take our decision. Is market is going to take that buy sell liquidity now, or is it actually leaving the area and it's falling, something like that. We will take our decision. But to be honest, this London session has a low volatility, so your stop loss, even if you put it here, it's still 10 handle, just 10 handle. I love that thing. I really love that. I mean, lot of space I can give the price to fly, and I don't care about the handles. Just 700, $140. Oh man, Peter, you left me, man. Okay, Hassan, hello brother, how are you? I'm good, man. How are you? What about you? How are you? Fine. Everything is okay, Hassan. I love to visit Turkey, man. Please send me the invitation as soon as possible. Yes, Jeff. Yeah, I woke up from the alerts on Trading View going off. Okay. Oh man, you guys also set the alert as well. I don't like it. Sometimes I come in front of my chart, I see the price, I go back. You know, I just do that. I don't use the alert. I keep coming back. I love that. I keep coming back. You see, Shahid, New York AM session is the best, brother. Agreed with you. I love New York AM session, man. I love it. Hey, what's up? Where do you live in Germany? I am also from Germany, from Munch. No, Sandy, I don't live in Germany. I was in Germany in, southern. What was that name? Actually, that was my uncle's house, and the name of that area was what was that area? Oh man, let me rewind. This is just beside a river. What is that river called? I forgot the name actually. It's just beside the Cologne city. But uh, I just forget the name, man. I was in Germany for 6 months, nearly 6 months. Actually, I went in Europe to Denmark. Then I have finished my bachelor from Denmark. Then I went to Portugal. I started a little business over there. Then, some paperworks. Then I came to Bangladesh. So I will go back to Portugal next month, I believe, after the Eid, after the Ramadan, after the fasting. I will go back to Germany. I'm sorry, Portugal, brother. Let's all try to learn London session. It's really difficult, brother. London session is always very difficult one. What happened? Nothing happened. Hey Sandy, I'm in half an hour away from Uzberg. So S app, you also from Germany. So I have a lot of friends from Germany. That's cool. Martin is also from Germany. And there's another guy. What was okay? I really forgot his name. He's also from Germany. Okay, Peter. Actually, I delete that 15-minute entry gap because I'm believing that market will come to this. It will go toward that. Okay, I told that when I was deleting that entry gap because of too many lines. I'm gonna remove it from my chart and later I will add. Okay, re-add. That's why. Now you guys are talking with German language. I mean that Deutsch language. It's not fair. Okay, it's not fair. It's not fair. You can't talk in Deutsch language. If you use the slang in Deutsch language, I won't understand, right? Like, uh, like the guys, if anyone is here from Portugal, you know the word fodas. Okay, so if you use that word, and if I don't know that language, that word, I will say, okay, maybe this guy told me something good. But actually, it's not a good word. It's a bad word. I'm sorry for that. It's very bad word. Oh man. Hey Remy, good morning, brother. How are you? No, brother, I'm just kidding, brother. I was just kidding. But the why market reverse at AM session last night? There is no fair cap there. What's the logic behind? Ahmed, you are late. Okay, let me go over here. I guess some of you are late. Today is Wednesday, and you have to remember the the narrative. Okay, Monday is the accumulation phase. Tuesday is the manipulation phase. Wednesday and Thursday should be the expansion phase. Friday, reverse or reset. Okay, so yeah, this is the fact. I'm expecting price will work like today. It will expand toward these two cells are liquid today. Okay, and tomorrow. So something like this here. So maybe today it will come until here. Maybe it will take that one. I don't know. Maybe it will stay here. Then it will retrace tomorrow. Come back again. Take all of this sell side liquidity today and tomorrow. Friday it will go back into the weekly range and reset the price over here. Now, if market would love to expand lower to the New York session, it should expand higher to the London session. The London session I'm expecting price will expand little higher. If it wants to go high, we have to frame our trade from this fair value gap. Look, this candle low, that candle high. This is the 15-minute fair value gap. It has to reach over here. At the same time, this is the order block level. Okay, so it can reach until that order block, or it can just tap to that 15-minute fair value gap. Tapping over there, it went little higher. Not so far, okay? Not big volatility, nothing like that. Little higher run. So around London session, I'm expecting some kind of Judas movie. My bias is bearish. I'm willing to see some kind of bull move around the London session. That's my thinking. So far, you can see market came here to that fair value gap. This is the entry fair, the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. It came here at the same time. It has traded that inversion fair value gap. Okay, this is inversion fair value gap because this low, this low failed to take that low over here. Look, this swing low failed to take the obvious swing low. Then the first fair value gap is going to work as the inversion fair value gap. So this is your inversion fair value gap here, this fair value gap. Price come back again to that inversion fair value gap and the 15-minute last fair value gap. Both of them are at the same level, went higher. This is the order block. It should reach until that order block before expanding higher, little higher, not so far. Okay, I'm telling you again, not so far, very little move. Okay, maybe 30 to 40 handle, just like that. So that's my expectation right now. And over here, I'm gonna remove it to the break even because that was just a theory that market is coming here to that specific fair value gap. Then this buy side liquidity will be triggered here. This is going to be the buy side liquidity. Market has made that liquidity. Remember, guys, London session is the liquidity making session. London session is the liquidity making session. It's not liquidity taking session. It's the liquidity making session. So be careful about that. I know someone will say, ah, brother, you don't know how to trade London. I know nothing about this. Ahmed Mustafa, I guess everything is cool, man. I mean, now you got the my point or something. And I explained that this is the place where I am not 100% sure about my direction. You know that I am very much confident about my direction. At London session, I really get confused. Always I get confused because of the liquidity making session. Where is it going to make the liquidity? But so far, my expectation is something like this. It will come here first, maybe until that order block, then something. This is my direction, okay? So far. If I see market break that 50-minute fair value gap, I will go for that sell side liquidity. Okay, over here this low and that low, they're relatively equal lows. So I will go for that sell side liquidity over here. That is very clean. Also here is some liquidity around that area. Let me mark that as well. So this low and that low, they're also the relatively equal lows. I'm gonna mark them as well. Okay, sorry, it has taken. It has taken, so I don't need to mark them when it is taken. Yeah. And over here I saw that as a fair value gap, and market can trade that fair value gap to until this line. That's why I put that thing. But this is not a valid entry. Okay? Until here, this is not a valid entry because this is highly risky. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. And if you just look at the risk to reward, it's kind of 1:1. Okay, so don't take that risk. But if you think 700 is nothing for you, you can go for that. To be honest, you can go for that. This is the just the logic. You have to wait until 3, I mean sorry, until 4 for the setup. Okay. Fasting, bro, no bad words. Okay, Peter, no bad words. Okay, so you know what is the meaning of that word. I'm sorry, man. Sandy, you used the Deutsch language again, I guess. So I'm unable to read that. Okay. Good morning, Dolfo. How are you, brother? Everything's cool, man. By the way, brother, what does the in if FVZ means? I know about LFVZ, FFVZ, and all the other types. What does the FFVZ means? First fair value gap? E fair value gap is the most important one, and why don't you know that? That is the entry fair value gap, brother. Where this fair value gap happened actually. Market has taken the buy side liquidity here. Market structure shift, either this one or that one. Market structure shift. This is the last fair value gap, and this is the entry fair value gap, or EFVZ, entry fair value gap. These two fair value gap is very important. This is our well-known setup. If market reverse from the entry fair value gap, that the thing always happens. Most of the time it happens. But if market reach to that last fair value gap, I don't need that fair value gap not anymore. It's not important anymore. The entry fair value gap, okay? The last fair value gap will play the greatest role. Is it clear, brother? The EFBZ or the entry fair value gap. That means the first fair value gap is your last fair value gap. The second fair value gap is going to be your entry fair value gap. See this clean bicep liquidity? I really want to look that it will keep like that way, and price will expand lower around 4 a.m. It will trade that, then it will expand toward that bicep liquidity. Oh man, that's kind of heaven. Okay. Future trade investing, brother. Do you get it? Hey George, good morning, brother. 57. What? What's that? Watching, come to guys. Hit the like button. Oh, okay. Thank you, Thups. Yeah, I just pinned it. You can, you can do it. You can do it, man. I'm just trying to connect to that. Okay, no problem. Just connect with him, Sandy. No problem, brother. Hey, Baloni, what's up, brother? Big Uzi liked. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you, brother from another mother. Future trend investing. That's the line. Actually, I'm used to. Is that you who used that line? I mean, thank you, brother from another mother. It's very familiar to my streaming. Okay, there was another guy. Is that you? Was that you, future trend investing, who told me that line for the first time? A brother from another mother. I love that word, man. All good, brother. On question, we are just below new day opening gap from last week. Do you keep it on the chart? Quite significantly handle. Just a second. Thank you, Dolfo. Thank you very much, brother. 18254, 18254, 18279, 18254, 18279, 18254, 18279, 18254. Uh, uh, uh. Can anyone tell me the new day opening gap for NQM from Dolfo? Can you please tell me the number, brother? There's a 1 minute inversion fair value also in the 15-minute fair value. Can be. Just let me first mark the new day opening gap. I need that new day opening gap. I forgot to mark that. I'm extremely sorry, but I really forgot that. Can anyone please tell me that that what to say? I mean that level for the new day opening gap, please. If anyone marked that new day opening gap to NQM, please let me know that levels and before 4 a.m. Okay, please. I don't think so. Anybody marked that 18525. Okay, 18525. 198504. 18504. 18504. Thank you, Peter. I really forgot about this one. I really forgot. And I'm spending a lot of time here, so yeah, sometimes I forget. Okay, thank you. Uh, what is that? AFX? KCZ. Yeah, I got you, KCZ. I think 185042526. Did I mark it wrong or right? 25. Is it perfect? I need the perfect level, man. The closing and the opening. It's simple. So it should not be different type of news. I mean, okay. Can you tell me where is that candle exactly? Where the new day opening gap started? Can you tell me the time frame? Which date actually it has created that new day opening gap? I'll go over there. Okay. Yeah, yeah. I have switched to the June contract yesterday, brother. I have already switched it. Okay. Just let me know the candle. Where is that candle? I really forget about from where I marked that new day opening gap. I really forgot that. Okay? So please let me know the candle. Where the candle exactly? Then I will mark it by myself. Hey Vrinder, how are you, brother? Yes, Jeff. No problem, brother. Just let me know where is the exactly where the candle Thursday, March 7, 8. Okay. Thursday, March 7. Hello, brother from my other mother. Sevugal. Joel Sevugal. You are new as well. I didn't see your comment before. Thursday, March 7. Just let me mark the new day opening up first, okay? March 7. Nope, this is not that gap. No, man. So this is the 4 a.m. volatility market went higher. Take the relatively equal highs, and your new day opening gap is 18504.25, 18526.00. So this is the new day opening gap, okay? Market has taken the buy side liquidity, tapped to the new day opening gap, but closed inside the new day opening gap, okay? Let's see if it can go lower or not. I will just wait, okay? I will just wait and then I will push my button. Still, I'm thinking that market will come here to that fair value gap, exactly to that fair value gap. 5 day close, 7 day open. What do you mean by that? This new day opening gap started from 7th of March. So until 14th of March, it is valid. So this new day opening gap is valid until 14th of March. Okay. Then this indicator, new week opening gap, new week opening gap, new day opening gap. I can do it by myself. Actually, I changed the contract. That's why I forgot to mark it. That's all, brother. So I don't need an indicator to mark the new day opening gap. Peter, I can do it by myself, brother. Hey, Rain, you're late, brother. There you go. Thank you, Jeff. Okay, I want to see one thing actually. Okay, guys, actually, yesterday I have done something. I mean, if anybody subscribe to my channel, it will show to the display. And can you see it? I mean, did you see that? I got 2 subscriber, but was it showing to my what to say over here? Was it showing it over there? Yeah, the alert is on. So did you see any kind of subscription things over here and that area? Hey Lenny, How are you, brother? Just let me know. Did you see that or not? Okay. I mean, if anybody subscribe, it will show their name over there, something like that. Did you see it or not? Market has taken the buy side liquidity. Market structure shift. I'll look for a fair value gap there. Oh, 4.13 subscribers. Thank you, Arlits. Yesterday, right? Yesterday I got near about 20 people subscription. Market has taken the buy side liquidity, very immediate reaction, market structure shift. This is the first parallel gap. It can be the second parallel gap over here. If I get a chance to take a sell, I will take a sell. My target will be, where will be my target? Maybe to this liquidity, sell side liquidity, something. Let's see. But I need a very immediate reaction. Hello, brother. Have you took a trade today? No, I didn't, brother. I didn't. I didn't take any trade until now. This is going to be my first entry and I'm looking for a sell here. Hey Hafiz, how are you, brother? It's been a long, I didn't see your name. A guy from London in a London session. How are you, Hafiz? Okay, from 15-minute chart, it finally came to this 15-minute travel gap. I was looking for buy, but when I have seen this new day opening gap is over here, I just changed my plan. Okay, I'm not looking for buy anymore. I didn't have any idea that there was the new day opening gap. So I was looking for buy actually, but when I have seen there is the new day opening gap, I'm not looking for buy, not anymore. I would love to go low. Okay, I don't want to go high, not anymore. Jill, you're from Spain in London session. Okay, George is also from Spain. So I got another guy from Spain. Welcome, brother. I'm taking long now on Bitcoin while watching NQ Trader. Lol. Anton, binary Anton, best of luck, brother. But I'm not thinking that market is going higher. Yep, London session. Okay. Good morning. First time I see you trade London. Yeah, I am just trading London yesterday and today. So it's kind of 2 days only. That new day opening gap is for Monday or for which day? This new day opening gap is from 7th of March. So I don't remember which day, but this is from 7th of March. And I'm believing that market is going lower to that sell side liquidity. Okay. This is the setup. Market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift. All I missed is immediate reaction. That means market didn't reach to that fair value gap within three candle. That's all I missed. Actually, sorry, I missed the real entry over here. This is the breakaway gap. Sorry, there was the entry gap over here. There was two fair value gap. I didn't pay that much attention. Okay. If it can come back here, I will add more and I will move my stop loss little above them. If it come back here again to that specific fair value gap, but I don't believe that it's going to do that. Instead of that, it will just keep falling. That's my expectation right now. It should not come back here. What is this? Look at this fair value gap. I would love to see market will go through this fair value gap by one candle. I don't want the reaction from this last fair value gap from 1 minute chart. I don't want to see the reaction as I am expecting some kind of lower run. So I will add one more over here, and it's kind of use, no problem. This is the reaction from the 1 minute last fair value gap. So I just came here, the 1 minute last fair value gap. This is just a reaction. So I'll be careful about this reaction. I believe that market will go through this 1 minute last fair value gap. It will just boom, something like that. If it happens, then it's going to tap over here, and finally this sell side liquidity. So I really wouldn't want to see the reaction from 1 minute last fair value gap. I am very much afraid of the reaction of that last fair value gap. Mm -mm -mm. I talked about the breakaway gap. I have the video of the breakaway gap to my channel. In the study section, you can watch them, brother. I cleared over there when you should look for breakaway gap, how you should predict the breakaway gap, everything I explained over there. If it can touch that low again, I'm gonna put my stop loss above that candle here. If it can fill that order, if it failed to fill that order, I'll be happy with this format. Your 15-minute parabolic video is great, nicely explained. Thanks for your effort. No problem, Hafiz. Please go off for the parabolic. No, would it still be considered immediate response? No, it's not called the immediate response. Immediate response happened over here. This candle trade that parabolic gap. It's done. It has done its job over here. Now here, this is just a reaction from the last parabolic gap. Okay. If market would love to go lower, what it has to do? Okay, it should expand lower. It should expand lower. Then it has to break the last parabolic gap by one candle. You see where did it came to the last parabolic gap from 1 minute chart. This is the last parabolic gap from 1 minute chart. Guys came here, tap to that last parabolic gap. This is just a reaction. I am very much careful about that reaction. I know that this type of reaction can happen, but I want to see it will just go through this parabolic gap, something like boom, one candle or maybe maximum two candle. It will go through this parabolic gap. If it can go through this candle, here I will look for this parabolic gap. See this parabolic gap? Before taking that sell side liquidity, this parabolic gap can hold the price. I'll be very much careful about that parabolic gap. Otherwise, this sell side liquidity will be triggered. All I need just go through this last parabolic gap from 1 minute chart. I'm trying to teach you the last parabolic gap concept, which is very much important. And if you really know how to utilize the last parabolic gap, you will be the wizard of this market. Trust me. More new day opening gap, brother? Seriously? Oh man. Same scenario, loving it. Okay, I'm also good, Francis, to know that it has taken the previous day high. So I am really happy that maybe I'm not going to be stopped out. Uh, নামাজ পড়েই শুরু করছি। Loving you, again. I don't think so it's going to trade over there, so I'm gonna remove that. The limit. I don't like this reaction. See this reaction from New Day. I mean, 1 minute last travel gap. It's the most difficult part where patience has gone. I mean, sometimes I get very much angry on the price action to see this type of things. When I'm bearish, I'm expecting bear run, but the last travel gap is giving me continuously. It is giving me the reaction. So I'm going to close that entry with little profit. I will wait. So this is the break even. I will wait more over here, and I will try to re-entry. It is entering balanced price range now. Might bounce off it or just some smashes through like a bullet. I believe that it's going to break this parallel gap. This parallel gap has to be broken. But the thing is, I pushed my button little late, so I closed my trade. I will wait to take re-entry. Peter, new day opening gap 12.3, 18.471, 18.469. 18.471, 18.469. No, there is no new day opening gap. I have the new day opening gap over here only. No other new day opening gap. So far I remember. NQH. Yeah. I had the new week opening gap here above the new day opening gap, but I don't have any new day opening gap around that area. The next new day opening gap is around that area. So 17,999 here. There is this next new day opening gap, but around this area I don't have any new day opening gap. Why you are talking about that? Okay, okay, 469,471. It's okay, 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 okay. I got it. It's just a two handle new. I mean two handle gap. So I don't mark the two handle gap as my new day opening gap. I need at least 10 handle for being a what to say. I mean new day opening gap perfect. Okay, it needs at least 10 handles. Okay, brother, I got it. I don't mark that two handle gap. Yeah. I don't mark that two handle, two to five handle, six handle, seven handle gap as my new day opening gap. I don't mark them. I need at least 10 handle, at least 10 handle to mark the new day opening gap. For new week opening gap, at least 15 handle. The reaction from the last travel gap from 1 minute chat is cool. So far the order block is working perfectly. It's just holding the price. I'm cool. Let's see who is the stronger, the last parabolic gap or the order block. I want to see order block will hold the price. This parabolic gap will be broken. This clean sell side liquidity will be triggered. This sell side liquidity is going to be triggered. That's my belief. Previously, I was bullish. I was thinking that market will come here to that 15-minute parabolic gap. Then it will expand higher because I had no idea that there was a new day opening gap. When I have seen this new day opening gap, I immediately told you that it has taken that buy side liquidity, market structure shift, first parabolic gap. So your entry has to be here. Okay, exactly your entry has to be here. Breakaway gap and target has to be maybe until that low. That is the real entry. I just missed that parabolic gap. It's okay. Sometimes better not to take entry. Instead of that, wait for the perfect entry and see if it works or not. George, what is your bias, brother, today? Remy, are you there? Hmm. So this order block is broken. The last parabolic gap win the race. So last parabolic gap hold the price, send it back until that parabolic gap. Okay, I'm happy. Let's see where it's want to go exactly where it doesn't want to. It wants to go. At the same time, I am really careful about this 15-minute parabolic gap. Here is the 15-minute parabolic gap. I'm really careful about that. George, I am from Madrid. Bullish overall. Okay, you are bullish. It's okay if you are bullish. Thank you, brother, for being. Okay, guys, I asked you a question. Can anybody just unsubscribe me and resubscribe me? I want to see. I have added a thing over here actually, the alerts. Okay, so if anybody subscribe to my channel, it will show to the display. Is it showing actually? Just let me know. Is it showing or not? So how do we set limit order? See this here, the plus button here, buy limit, sell stop, something like that. Hey Dio, how are you, brother? Good morning. I just started the what to say, I mean the London session, and I will try to do it. It did not working. Oh, okay, so it did not working. Let's see. Twitter. Did take the command. Twitter. TWI. Yeah, Twitter. I didn't working. Okay, it didn't working. I guess it's not working. Yeah. Navi is But it didn't close below that line. It's not good. It has to close below that line. Mm. Mhm. Okay, now if anybody has any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can write down just boom. Anything you want, you can write it down. How to do it? It is into elements. For this worked, bro. I subscribed and unsubscribed shows up on the screen. Oh, okay. It shows. Okay, 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 okay. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you, bro. Can you do it one more time? I would love to see, brother. I would love to see that. I mean, can you please do one more time, brother? Please, just for me, man. Please. Thank you guys for writing down boom. This social liquidity is gonna be triggered. This social liquidity, okay? Thank you for writing down boom. Thank you so much. This is the inversion parallel gap. Do anybody has any confusion about that? I don't think so. You should have any confusion about that inversion parallel gap. This high failed to take that high. This is the inversion parallel gap. I step to this parallel gap. Boom. This is the reaction. This was the, okay, guys. Can you please do? I mean, Hardik, can you please do one more time, brother? I would love to see that it's showing on the screen that if anybody subscribe, it is showing over there. I just need to see that. Anybody can do that for me one time, please. Just unsubscribe me and subscribe me. Okay, so that I can see that it's showing on the screen that somebody subscribed to my channel. I just added that to from the stream elements so that I can see if anybody subscribe to my channel, it will show over there. So please do that for me one time. This sell side liquidity is going to be triggered here. Magic boom. Thank you, Isam. Thank you, Brahim Banano. Okay, thank you, brother. Guys, don't forget to give me a simple like. Just make it 50, okay? There is near about 74 people is watching now. Please give me a like. If 74 people gives me the like, it will be 74 likes. So please don't skip that on. If you don't want to subscribe, no problem, but please don't forget to give me the like. Very simple thing. Hey Lucas, hello brother. You're a little late, man. We did a lot of drama, I guess. Okay, now anybody took that entry? Anybody took that entry? I'm not talking about the inversion farewell cap entry. Maybe this farewell cap entry here. Awesome. Thank you, Alan. Wait. Okay, Alan. But yeah, guys, can you, anyone please unsubscribe and subscribe me one more time? I want to see that it's showing on my screen. If anybody just subscribe, it's showing over there. I just need to see that. Okay. Can you please do that for me one time, please? Francis, don't keep pushing me, okay? Don't keep pushing me. I don't go 5 minutes. I don't need to go over there, brother. Okay. Can please anyone unsubscribe me and then resubscribe? I would love to see it showing on my screen or not. Please, just do it, man. I do it, but it's not working, brother. I think it's for new subscriber. Oh, okay. Okay, I guess it's for new subscriber then. Okay. The entry of inversion favorable. Ahmed Mustafa. Okay, you took the inversion favorable capability. That's cool, man. That's cool, man. That's cool. Francis, I don't go to the, I mean, 5 minute chart, brother. That's I told you, okay? I don't go to 5 minute chart. I love to stay in 1 minute chart and 15 minute chart. Yeah, that's I told you. Okay, 1 minute inversion Fabulous gap, second pyramid. Okay, so you actually added more. Pushing, you asked if anyone took NT, my wish 5 minutes CB and 1 minute inversion Fabulous gap. Oh, okay, so you told that. I thought you were telling me to go to 5 minute chat. Okay, sorry, brother. It's my fault. Thank you, brother. Oh, it's okay. Thanks for that. Yeah, so you took that entry. That's cool, man. That's cool. Would you be there for the New York session? Sandy, I will be at the morning session, but I'm not sure about the PM session, okay, brother? But I will be there in the morning session. Now, guys, I what I want to give you here, not the entry, okay? The entry is nothing. I'm not going to give you the entry. I would love to talk you about this 1 minute last parable gap here. Price came here to that 1 minute last parable gap. Can you see the reaction? Is it random? Is it random? I don't think so. It's random, okay? I'm not sure. This is paper money, guys. This is just paper money over here. This is just paper money. So I don't care about my profit. I don't care about my loss because this is just paper money. But I'm showing you the fact. If I want to hold my trade until maybe this low, maybe that sells a liquidity, I could do that. I'm not going to lose anything. I'm not going to earn anything from here, right? Not, I mean, today I actually forgot to change it to my real money. And when I started my stream, I saw this paper trading, so I just let it go over that way. But it's okay. I would love to show you the reaction from here. The last parabola from 1 minute chart. See this reaction? Where did it go? Entry favorable gap from 1 minute chart. 1 minute entry favorable gap, 1 minute last favorable gap. Is it random, brother? Is it really random? As I told, you have to take your entry over here. Here, this candle. It was very near to that favorable gap. Your entry has to be here. If market didn't reach over here within 3 candle, this entry is not valid. This is not a valid entry. As you have already taken your entry over there, over here, okay? until here. You can hold your trade because you are already in the market. You have no chance to close your trade. So until you are on the market, so you will see this reaction. You will be the witness of that reaction. All I want to show you the randomness. Okay, this is very random, right? Last parallel gap, entry parallel gap, boom. Is it random? Did it take that low? I guess it has taken that low. Yeah, it has taken that low. Now I'll come here. Can I see any fair value gap around that area from 1 minute chart? No, there is no fair value gap. What does it mean? It means market can reverse from a random area. It just can reverse from here. Maybe it is a retracement, but it has to reach in a fair value gap. This is a random area. Remember yesterday I talked about the random area, random reversal. This is the same place. Look, it has taken that low. Doesn't matter. Is there any fair value gap from 1 minute chart? No fair value gap, which is valid for reversal. So this is just a random area. Market can reverse from here. It can't reverse. This can be the retracement, little retracement, or it can make this sell side liquidity more stronger for later use. Okay, so it can trade around that area, or if I come here, sorry, in 50 minute chart, let me check. Actually, no, nothing. From 50 minute chart, nothing. Let me check hourly chart, nothing. See, this is just a random area. So market can reverse from a random area. It has to reach to that low. See this sell side liquidity. Below this sell side liquidity, there is a fair value gap from hourly chart. Here, I have a fair value gap from hourly chart. So if market come here, that hourly fair value gap, then it started to go higher. I will be happy to take buy. But here, I'm not willing to take buy. Why? Because this is just a random area. Price can't reverse from a random area. Simple thing, okay? When price came here, take that low. Is this there is anything? Nothing. It is going higher. Are you going to take your buy? No. Why? Because this is just a random area. From random area, market is going higher. That means this low actually came to those lows to make it more stronger. Here, the same thing happened. It came again here to make this more stronger. So ultimately, it's going to take that low because this is just a random area reversal, random reversal, random reversal. You will sacrifice the random reversal. Even if you get an opportunity to take buy, you should not take the buy. Now, I'm not telling to follow this. I'm just telling you some idea, okay? Just some idea, nothing else. So, am I willing to take buy? No, I'm not willing to take buy. Dolfo, I don't like -4 standard deviation. I actually go until -3 standard deviation. So, brother, -4 I never see. I mean, I never actually mark -4. uh, okay. Francis, love brother. We all ICT brothers. Thank you, Francis, for understanding, brother. Thank you, brother. This LFBZ, EFBZ are so amazing. Thank you, AAFX. Now we see the subscriptions alerts. So you can saw it, right? So let me actually go little below before if I can see it or not. Can you tell me the time, what time it actually showed over there? I want to see that actually. Oh man, I just missed it. My bad. My bad. I just missed it. I want to see how does it look like. That's all, brother. That's why I was asking. It's working now for the new subscriber. Oh, okay. So it's for the new subscriber, I guess. Uh, okay. So 4135. Maybe this for the new subscriber. Maybe. Now we have bullish SMT with ES. Also okay. Still, I'm bearish, brother. Until this sell side liquidity or market reach to a certain level, I'm still what to say. I mean, bearish, brother. Okay. What about the 15-minute order block? Not relative. Order block is very difficult, brother, and I believe most of you don't know how to mark the order block. So don't don't you don't need that order block things right now, Peter. I guess just wait until ICT releases book. You all will know what is order block. So right now, I don't believe most of us know what is the order block. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about myself. I really don't know what is order block. So when I really don't know something, I should not go for that. Can see clear, but it's blur, low quality. Okay, I will work with that, brother. 15 minutes time frame only. Does the reverse valid from 15-minute time frame only? How about 5 minutes? PL, I actually don't go to 5 minute chart. If I'm not over confused about 15-minute chart, I really don't go to 5 minute chart, brother. So for me, reversal, everything, I love to mark the 15-minute chart. Okay, just the 15-minute chart. It's my bellwether. But it doesn't mean you have to do the same thing. You can go hourly chart, 5 minute chart. It's up to you. Just choose your time frame by yourself. Which time frame is actually working for you? Go over there. Don't just listen to me and stay in 15-minute chart. It's not good. Okay. So far, how was the entry? I mean, how was the trade over here? Let me know if it was good. Reebok most likely is still going lower to sell side. I believe so. ICT says order block is a change in price flow if I'm correct. Change in state of delivery. Yeah, that's the order block is. Change in state in delivery. But go to my Twitter. Here is my Twitter. Go over there to my profile. Just listen my pin post. This is the 22 ICT mentorship episode 9 video from ICT. Just listen to that so you will understand what is border block actually is. And you will get the link to my description, the Twitter link, or you can search me by this at the rate of NRT12345. Okay. So do you draw those new day opening gap every day of the week if the gap is bigger than 10 ticks? 10 handle halfies, not 10 ticks. 10 handle. Yeah. If it is bigger than 10 handle, I keep marking them and I keep using them for 7 days. After 7 days, it's not valid anymore for me. So I'm gonna remove it after 7 days. Okay, brother? I love the stream, bro. Thank you, Rivak. I guess you're new, brother. But don't forget to give me the like. Okay, I love it, man. I love it. So, boom, drama, IC trading also. Okay, actually, guys, let me tell you. This guy is Peter Henry, the drama guy. He told that if we can hit the 5,000 subscriber, okay, if we can hit 5,000 subscriber, then he's going to give 5 t-shirt giveaway, okay, free things or something like that. So he told that he's going to give 5 t-shirt to our viewers. Uh, give free giveaway. Is it called giving away? Okay, it's called giveaway. He's going to do that, and this will be the design. He actually designs here red. I don't like the red color. There was the white, and finally he came here, and I love it. Actually, black is my favorite color, so I still like it. He told that. How was the idea? Okay, let me know that. How is the idea? And should I go with Peter? Should I go with him? Yeah, man, I love it, man. This will be our t-shirt. Okay. Thanks, Peter, for everything, brother. I have no idea how to manage it. Yeah, giveaway. Thank you, brother. I have no idea about this, but yeah, let's see if we can hit 5,000 subscriber. It's still 140 subscriber. If we can hit that subscriber, then we will go for that t-shirt. Okay, it's kind of great help for me. Thank you, Peter. Thanks for everything, brother. Black is the color. I love that color, man. I love that color. Yeah, who who wants to win? Subscribe now. That is great. Thank you, Lenny. This is all Peter's idea. He is the one responsible for this. Okay, and I'm really grateful for that because I can't deny this. I can't deny this. I really, guys, one thing. Okay, when I have started this YouTube thing, I promised myself that I will never take a penny from anyone for teaching purpose. Okay, so I told Peter that, and Peter told me that, brother, this is just kind of, he's not giving it to me. Okay, he's not giving it to me, so I'm not taking the money or anything from Peter. He is doing it for me. This is his choice. Okay, I'm not asking for that, but he is doing this because he is feeling me as his brother. So this giveaway, he is doing this. I'm not a greedy person. Okay, but I just can't deny his offer. I mean, yeah, that's cool, right? I mean, if I can hit 5,000 and he he just give the giveaway, oh man, this kind of awesome, man, awesome. Thank you, Peter. Thanks for that, man. Really thanks. Bro, I was unsubscribing and resubscribing to try and see the notice. Just realize you get a 5-minute buffer before you can type message. Took the time to pay Asur. Oh, okay. Okay, that's cool. Arlits. So now what's that? Arlits Mantap Terima Kaish. What's that now? Guys, I'm now waiting because I have no idea what to do right now except taking this liquidity below here and here. There is two Pavlova from 15 minute chart. I would love to see price will reach any of this Pavlova now. Or if it started to fall, I'm not I'm not getting surprised because overall I want to see the fall. This is not only the new day opening gap, this is also our entry fair value gap. Remember the entry fair value gap? Let me mark that entry fair value gap from yesterday. That was our target yesterday, right? I never mess up with my direction, so that will be the entry fair value gap. This is not only the new day opening gap, this is also the entry fair value gap. Where market is going, take that small liquidity. Okay, this is very small liquidity from 1 minute chart. You can see this is relatively equal lows. That was my target. Let's see if it can reach over here or not. Now, London session, if you want to trade, you can only trade around 3 a.m. Okay, because of the volatility. Around 3 a.m. you will get the volatility. Outside of the 3 a.m., it's really highly risky to trade in London session. I know some of you are a really great fan of silver bullet, so your silver bullet start from 3 to 4. I'm sorry, to 4 to 5. Okay, because of the daylight saving, so 4 to 5. But if you ask me, I love to trade around 4. Just that volatility, nothing else. Rest, I will just let it go for the London session. Okay, brother. Now, previously there was two guy, Sandy and the other guy. They were talking with Deutsch language. Now our leads and Peter started to talk some, some kind of language which is really understood. What is that? I can't understand. Okay, that type of language. Okay, thank you. Welcome, bro. You help everyone. You are the man. I don't know I'm helping or not, but thanks for helping me to make it 5,000. Thank you. Thanks to all who actually subscribe to my channel, who are helping me, who are inspiring me, every single person. Thanks to all for your great help, man. Mantap is great. Good job in Indonesia. Okay, so I think it's the Indonesian language. Terima kasih is thank you. Terima kasih is thank you. Okay, terima kasih, terima kasih. How long do you stream, brother? That was ICT Silver Bullet that just happened. Yeah, absolutely. What I told is actually from 4, around 4, okay? Around 4, the setup, if I get a setup around 4, I'm done. So, yeah, the Silver Bullet is from 4 to 5. I know that, but yeah, for me, setup will happen around 4 until 1st of April. So, from 1st of April, the setup will happen around 3, okay, not 4 anymore. I'm only using UCT concept. I am only using ICT concept. No, 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 no indicator. No indicator. There is an indicator. It is called SMT. Actually, Shahid, maybe Shahid, yeah. He told me about this SMT indicator. If it works, then I'm gonna use that. And otherwise, everything I love to do by myself. Okay, I love to mark every level by myself. Because I'm using one monitor right now. I'm in Bangladesh, so I'm using just one monitor. I'm unable to find out the SMT. That's why I kept that SMT indicator over here. That SMT indicator because of that. Otherwise, I'm not an indicator guy. I just love to mark everything by myself. I'm kind of old generation. Okay, kind of old generation, something like that. Brother, I just missed an entry with breakaway gap and inversion parabolic gap on NQ. That doesn't matter. Future trend investing. I mean, we are just going to miss so many entries. That doesn't matter. We are going to get more entries like over here. I took this entry, then I closed it here. Okay, not in a loss. There was this was not a loss. You can see this account history. This was not a loss. So something like that, $30. Nothing. That was not a loss. Then I took re-entry to the inversion parabolic gap. Here, I took the re-entry to the inversion parabolic gap. So if even if I missed that entry, I don't care. I closed that entry, I don't care. Still I have the chance because I know where market is heading. If you know the direction, entry is just a step, nothing else, brother. You can find so many things that will help you to take your entry. So entry is nothing. First, you have to learn the way it's going, the direction it is going. You have to learn that. If you can know where market is going, entry is just a part of this game, nothing else, brother. So don't ever get upset if you an miss an opportunity to take entries. Oh man, why it is rising so fast? I'm really so happy to see that it's rising so fast. I mean 4143. Oh man, it's huge, man, right? Drama, you are making so many drama here, Peter. But really thanks for that. Really thanks. Okay. Boom, new subscriber. Thank you, Peter. Thanks to all, man. Do you always stream London session? I'm streaming London session yesterday and today, brother. Just yesterday and today. Boom, new subscribers have seen it. Yeah, they will see it. Boom. I love that word, man. Looking Mr. Worldwide right now. I see it looking Mr. Worldwide right now. Reebok, I didn't get you, brother. What was that? Wonderful. Thank you. Inna. Inna. So you are new as well. Are you new, brother, to my channel? Inna. If I pronounce your name wrong way, I'm sorry, okay? My English is not good. Market will always be there, and entry plus time will always repeat itself. Lol, how random. Yeah, how random. Thank you, brother. I'm learning from you so much. Thanks to you, brother, because you are getting something from here, and you are not thinking this is just waste of time. That's why thanks to you, brother. How to make narrative direction, brother? I have already made the video to my channel and I'm just making the daily recap video. Keep watching them. First, go to my channel. Over there, go to my playlist. I'm just giving you the direction, okay? See this narrative video. First, watch this video. There is 5 video, just 5 days video. How you will plan your 5 days? How you will plan without price action? Without price action, how you will plan? So please watch this 5 video. Try to understand them. When you will understand them, I'm just making daily recap video. Okay, this is a playlist, new playlist. There is already 2 video, only 2 video. So I'm gonna post the videos over here every day. After the end of the session, I'm going to post a daily recap or something like that. Okay, so keep watching this, you will understand lot of things. You will get it from here, but you have to be consistent. You have to watch. I'm not telling this for my views. I'm telling this for you. Okay, so it's up to you. What do you want to do? If you want to keep watching them, you will understand how to make the direction. Trust me, brother, you will be able to do that. Okay, guys, I think I'm done with the London session. I'm not interested to take any more entries. So yeah, if anyone to leave, you can leave, because I would love to talk with my brothers for some days. I mean, sometimes then I will close. I mean, the price action has done. Okay, so price action, I'm done with the price action. Thanks for the guys who actually subscribe to my channel. 4143. I mean, near about 13 people, I guess. I got 13 people subscribed from this London session. It was huge for me. Okay, you draw on your cells and liquid line in 1 hour time. No, Lucas, I marked that from 1 minute time frame. Here, this relatively equal loss. Just this relatively equal loss, nothing, nothing. Okay, here. 10K subscribers, you have to do NQ as well. 10K, 10K subscriber, man, I am only 4K, right? Just 4K. So 10K subscriber, it will take maybe 1 year. Okay, it will take maybe 1 year. So yeah, all the different places we all come from here. He like Mr. Worldwide famous. Oh, okay. I got it now. Reebok, but I'm not. I'm not famous, man. Sandy, sorry guys. Why you are sorry, Sandy? Boom, new subscriber. But why I can't see it? I'm not seeing it. I don't know why I can't see it. Subscriber, boom. Another one. So T2, you cannot see. No, I can't see. Why I can't see? I can't see, man. If there is a new subscriber, I don't know when it is popping up to my screen. I couldn't see it. I don't know how can I show it. I don't know. I really don't know. I think I have to make a sound or something like that or not. I don't know. No, I can't see the new subscribers. I don't know. Thanks, brother. I have seen your review video in morning. Okay, Hasanullah, was that helpful, brother? You guys please give me the an advice. How can I improve? Okay, and guys, again, I am done with the price section. So if you want to leave, you can leave. Okay, I'm done with the price section. For the morning session, I'm done. I mean, for the London session, I'm done with the morning session. So if you want to leave, you can leave. You don't need to waste your time with my, useless talking. ICT time zone finished. Uh, no, time zone didn't finish, but I am done. I see that you get tired of explaining the same thing to new subscribers. Therefore, we old subscribers should help to explain the concepts to newcomers. If you can do that, brother. It will be helpful for me. Well done, man. First time seeing you, but I love it, man. Thank you, Reebok. Thanks, man. Welcome to my channel, brother. You draw your lines such liquidity starting in Asia. I don't know what is there any Asia session or something or not. I really don't know anything. So this is the line. I saw this relatively equal loss from what time actually? Tuesday, 12th March 2024, 1503, and Tuesday, 12th March 2024, 1518. So this two low is the relatively equal loss. I don't know is there any Asian session or anything or not. Okay, I really don't know. I just marked those lows, and when this low happened, I'm seeing this most strongest low, so it's gonna be triggered very soon. It's going to be triggered. Okay, it's create 15-minute fair value gap. Ahmed, I'm just done with the price action. Okay, I'm not interested to read the price not anymore because I would love to hold my energy for the New York AM session. Today at the New York AM session we are going to have so much fun. I mean not exactly, I mean AM session fun, but I believe that we are going to get the fun. Though we don't have the news at the morning session, but we are going to get the fun at the morning session because today is the expansion day. Okay, so yeah, that's why I would love to hold my energy until for the what to say, I mean morning session, and I'm done with the price action. So I'm telling you again, okay, if you are here, I'm done with the price action. I'm not looking at the price right now. It's a sound. Okay, Peter. Guys, let's spam boom new subscriber to confuse it. Future boom new subscriber. Okay, man. Which video I can watch to understand the liquidity? Thugs, you have to stay with me in every live for understanding liquidity because I didn't make the liquidity video. It's the simple thing, and I don't think so. I have to make a video for understanding the liquidity. Liquidity is simple. Relatively equal highs, relatively equal lows. That's my liquidity. Very simple. So I don't need it, you know, to make a video to understand drawn liquidity. I just go for the relatively equal highs, relatively equal lows. That's all, brother. Subs, boom. Thank you. Alan, Turtle Soup ICT. Turtle Soup, I, I, I rarely do that. Turtle Soup is the hardest one for me. Rework, boom. Don't confuse me, man. I mean, yeah, I'm getting subscribers and every day. It's cool. Can I show it to you? Yes, I can. So, brothers, I can show it to you. So, if I come here to subscriber, you can see in 11th March I got 27 subscriber, then 11 subscriber, then 0, 10, 6, I mean 29 sometimes. Cool, right? I'm getting some subscriber. That's all, brother. I'm happy with that. Slowly, but definitely, I know I will get more. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Turtle Soup ICT is good night. Oh, okay. Okay, 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 okay. Shall I practice? Turtle Soup ICT is good night. Good, right. Okay, so good, right. Turtle Soup ICT told that if you want to trade Turtle Soup, you need at least 10 years experience to do the Turtle Soup. It's not the easy thing. So yeah, it's up to you. Do you want to try it or do you think you should avoid it? It's up to you, brother. Still not, I'm thinking market is going higher. I'm still thinking market is going lower to take that sell the liquidity. But at the same time, you have to keep in mind London session is the liquidity making session. It can make that liquidity for the New York AM session. Okay, it can make that for that. But yeah, it is what it is. I believe that we will get that very soon. London session. I'm also learning the London session with all of you guys. Okay, I'm not a London guy. I'm a New York guy. 1:10 ratio. Oh man, I hate that's a cool man. That's a cool ratio. 1:10. Huge ratio. Okay, guys. Thanks for joining for the London session. I hope you got something from here. I really don't know you waste your time or not. But if you did waste your time and if you get something from here, I'll be really so happy. I'll be very happy if you get even one information. I'll be happy to know that. Okay. So don't forget to give me a like before leaving the streaming. And I'll be here at 9 a.m. New York local time. I will try to come here, and I believe that I'll be here at 9 a.m. New York local time for the New York AM session. Okay. Review videos are awesome. Watch every session live streams. It really helps when I am practice. Thank you, Ahmed. Yeah, try to get everything because I can be dead. Okay, I can be dead anytime. I can die anytime. It's all depends on Allah. So I can be, I can be dead. So please take everything until I'm here. And thanks for joining, guys. If any of you are new, you can subscribe to my channel, or if you are bored with me, you can unsubscribe as well. Okay, but don't forget to give me the like. See you guys. Bye bye.